If you're searching for the best free Forex backtesting software, you're already ahead of most traders. The reality is that most traders risk real money before they have any evidence that their strategy actually works. And that's exactly where problems begin. A few winning trades can build confidence. A few losing trades can destroy it. Without data, you're simply guessing. That's where backtesting comes in. Backtesting allows you to test a trading strategy using historical market data before risking real capital. And today, I'll show you the features you should look for in a backtesting platform and how a proper backtesting workflow actually works. The first feature every backtesting platform needs is high-quality historical market data. Without enough historical data, it's impossible to collect meaningful results. A strategy might perform well in one market condition and fail completely in another. That's why a good backtesting platform should allow you to go back in time and analyze previous market conditions whenever you need to. Inside First Look Labs, you can create a watch list by selecting a currency pair and choosing the historical date range you want to test. For example, you might choose EUR/USD and select a start date and end date covering several months or even years of historical market activity. Once your watch list is saved, you're ready to begin testing. The second feature is chart replay. Open a watch list. This is one of the most important tools for realistic backtesting. Instead of seeing the entire chart at once, replay mode reveals candles one at a time. This prevents you from seeing future price action. And that's important because knowing what happens next changes how you make decisions. This is known as hindsight bias. By removing future information, replay mode creates an experience that feels much closer to live trading. Instead of studying history, you're actively participating in it, one candle at a time. The third feature is trade execution. As the replay progresses, you're waiting for your trading setup to appear. Once your setup forms, enter the trade exactly as you would in a live market. Define your entry price, set your stop loss, set your take profit, then commit to the trade. No guessing. No changing the rules halfway through. No moving your stop loss because you're nervous. The purpose of backtesting is to measure the strategy, not your emotions. So every trade should follow the exact same rules. The fourth feature is statistics. And this is where many traders make mistakes. Winning a few trades doesn't prove anything, and losing a few trades doesn't prove anything either. What matters is the data collected over a large sample size. A proper backtesting platform should automatically track important metrics such as win rate, total trades, average reward to risk ratio, and overall profitability. These numbers provide objective feedback about your strategy's performance, and objective feedback is far more valuable than opinions or assumptions. Now, let's see how the entire process works together. Select a currency pair from the watch list. The historical chart loads instantly. Next, start replay mode. The market begins unfolding candle by candle, without revealing future price action. As the market progresses, I'm looking for my setup. Nothing more, nothing less. Eventually, the setup appears. I enter the trade according to my rules. I define my risk. I define my target. Then, I allow the market to do what it wants. As trades close, First Look Labs records the outcome automatically. Over time, my statistics begin to build. And after enough trades, I can evaluate whether the strategy truly has an edge. This approach is far more reliable than taking screenshots. It's far more reliable than relying on memory. And it's far more reliable than assuming a strategy works because it had a few good trades. Data removes emotion. Data removes assumptions. Data helps traders make better decisions. That's why professional traders spend so much time testing before risking capital. The best free Forex backtesting software isn't necessarily the one with the most features. It's the one that helps you test consistently, collect meaningful data, and make objective decisions. Before risking real money, always make sure your strategy has been tested thoroughly. The market rewards preparation, and backtesting is one of the most effective ways to prepare. If you're serious about improving your trading, start collecting data before collecting losses. And that's exactly what First Look Labs was built to help you do.